Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. Thank you so much for tuning in for this vegan recipe episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make brown stew eggplant. If you love a brown stew, then this is definitely a recipe that I would suggest following. And of course, if you're vegan and you love a brown stew, this would be a great one for you. So I'm starting off with heating up and melting some brown sugar in my pan. So in my pan I had some oil with some brown sugar, probably about 2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon of oil, and I had my brown sugar. I think I used about an 1/8 cup or a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, more like an 1/8 cup. So I'm going to let that brown sugar get to a nice color. I don't want a caramel color because I don't want my eggplant to taste sweet, so a little more than the caramel color. And as you could see, as it arrives to the color I would like it to, I went ahead and I added my eggplant. In my eggplant I also have some chopped onions and some marinade as well. Before you start this recipe, you also want to prep your eggplant. Be sure to clean your eggplant, cut it up, put some salt on there so the bitterness can be extracted out, or let it soak in some water and vinegar for a while just so that the bitterness can be extracted out of the eggplant. So I'm going to let that sit in my pan for a few minutes just so that it could get some of that brown color. I'm going to cover the pan. I'm going to stir it for a little bit and then I'm going to cover up the pan. Again, you really want to give the stew some time to get the color that you're looking for. And excuse my camera for the steam. As you can see, a few minutes later, there's kind of a reduction happening in the pan. Definitely you could see that some of the eggplant is getting that brown color, but it needs to go for a few minutes because the eggplant is still kind of half raw, so I want to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly. So this is what it looks like a few minutes later. There's definitely a reduction happening. I did not add any water to my stew so far because I already wanted that eggplant to get that brown color and get that flavor that I'm really looking forward to. So this is what it looks like a few minutes later. I'm now going to add in some vegan barbecue sauce. This is from the Pit Master brand. And this barbecue sauce, I really love it because it is actually sweetened with vegetables. So there's no extra added sugar or refined sugar in this barbecue sauce. It is actually naturally sweetened with vegetables. I'm going to let that eggplant stew boil for a few more minutes just so that the flavor of that barbecue sauce can get into that eggplant. And there you have it. I went ahead and I turned it off and I served it with some rice and black beans. This tastes so good. It reminds me so much of a really good brown stew. And that's it today for this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Peace, Love and tasty vegan food. Bye.